Oh, amazing. How many of you have seen Tekla Structure 2026? All right. Let me click on OK. Let's see what we have here. Okay, interesting. Not bad. Let me click on new projects. Let me click on create. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, let's look at this. Oh, interesting. It's come to manage. Well, I just like to always encourage people to get a higher versions of whatever software they use, right? It's just good. Most of the time, new features are being added that makes your job way more easier and faster. So if you think this is something you may like, you should try it out. If you are someone who uses Tekla Structure, of course. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Tekla TED. Oh, nice.